and room temperature butter, sugar, white sugar, cocoa powder, dan brown sugar, gula pasir coklat dan bubuk coklat, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, baking soda, baking powder, dan garam, two egg, vanilla. I will give 10 times, so altogether 10 gram. Cashew nut and almond, chocolate, let rest for 20 minutes. Biarkan selama 20 menit. Quantity 16 gram. We keep for 30 minutes in the refrigerator before bake. It's become hard, jadi keras. Sekarang kita taruh di sini. Kita pindahkan. We move all the cookies dough. Kita pindahkan semuanya. Very crispy. this is after 1 week. I put in the refrigerator. Now I will keep in the frozen. I made these cookies on 5th of June. Now it's 11th of June. So we check the crispy. Still crispy after 6 days. And the half dough of the cookies, I put extra 50 gram. Put extra flour. The color is different, darker. And I put extra chocolate, so this one is a softer but chewy feeling. This one is crispy. Both of them, when you buy the Nestle cookies, so this is the recipe, exactly the same taste like Nestle cookies. Have a nice try. Have a nice eat my cookies recipe.